Hello, my name is Dexter Hobdy, and I am a candidate for an MS in Biotechnology with a concentration in Biotechnology Enterprise at Johns Hopkins University. I would like to thank my colleagues for their help and the committee for their selection. The title of my presentation is Let's All Try and Get Along, Standardizing Sustainability for Universities. My father told me growing up, don't ask for help until you have tried everything yourself first. But there comes a point where it's best to work with others. Focusing on self-sufficiency and sustainability is not the most efficient use of expendable resources and valuable time. To repeat an expensive process costs numerous resources and time, and to then have it repeated by another group to have them discover almost the same information seems to be a bit counterintuitive. To improve current university sustainability, I propose the creation of a nationwide portal or hub in order to better standardize options and measurements for university sustainability planning. It would measure and record successes for indicators based on pilot programs and efforts. It would offer imitatable actions of successes in university environmentalism as they pertain to the unique traits the university exhibits. Examples would be geography, population, recycling, and political environmental factors. Indicators of sustainability program success include recycling rates, participation rates, generation rates, life cycle analysis, lifestyle analysis, sustainability scoring, and determining optimal purchasing and suppliers. The portal would function to share information on successes and failures, apply them to nearby communities, and link these communities with universities and other resources. Examples would include sharing roll-off containers, hauler contracts, and exchange of other forms of research, and sharing funding with municipalities and other areas based on need. The goal of this cross-university information sharing platform is to boost nationwide opportunities without reinventing the wheel through drawing on a well-developed sustainability wiki created by universities for universities and their communities. This hub of information would serve as a way to reduce cost and has further implications in the private sector. For instance, a for-profit organization who does not have to put forth assets to do initial research on the proper way to perform sustainability efforts has a higher chance of participating in those types of projects. Knowledge and knowledgeable people move the world, and efforts to change it for the better are more effective if people work together to provide opportunities for one another. Each generation has its chance to draw closer together and share the great responsibility of building the future. And now is the time for us to take up the mantle of ours, not based on age, demographics, or status, but based on being those that can and should contribute to the greater good. The momentum is building. Let's take advantage of it. It is a pleasure to be a presenter at this Earth Day. Thank you for tuning into my lightning talk and have a wonderful day.